The news in detail. Prasar Bharati has been honoured with the Hockey India Jaman Sharma Award for Invaluable Contribution 2024 in New Delhi at the Hockey India 7th Annual Awards 2024. The award marks Prasar Bharati's tireless efforts in promoting and broadcasting hockey across the nation. At the function, Hockey India also felicitated members of the victorious 1975 World Cup squad with the Hockey India Major Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement Award along with a cash prize of 50 lakh rupees.
Make hockey reach every nook and corner of this country. You know, as Mr. Jitin Prasad was saying, there is a need for a Grameen Hockey League, and we at Prasar Bharati through Doordarshan and our new OTT network, that is Waves, platform Waves, we are trying to make hockey reach every nook and corner of the country to, encourage not only the players, but also give them honor and respect.
Prime Minister